Hello and welcome. My name is Manny and this is Grubanny, and today we'll be making quinoa flour. Let's get started. Oh my god, I can't believe I made such a mess trying to shoot an epic B-roll. Now I have to clean it up. Anyway, where were we? Oh, that's right. This is the point where I'm supposed to read out all of the benefits of quinoa, but I'm not a nutritionist, so we'll just skip that part. Believe it or not, the first step is to thoroughly rinse your quinoa. As we all probably know, raw quinoa has a slightly bitter taste, and the first step to get rid of the bitter taste is to rinse it. After rinsing it thoroughly under running water, we need to let it drain completely. You know, when I make a short video like this, I'm about to make something epic, right? Stay tuned. Next, we have to thoroughly dry it, so line your drying surface with a paper towel or a kitchen towel. Dump your wet quinoa over whatever towel you choose to use and spread it around. This is totally coincidental, and I promise you I'm not acting like I'm playing a piano. Anyway, give it a shake and let it dry for a few hours. So I let mine dry for about 12 hours and here's what it looks like. As you can see, it's fully dried up and it feels so good to the touch. Snap back to reality and let's get rid of that bitter taste. Place a pan on medium-high heat, and once it's hot, add some of your quinoa. We're doing this in batches. The goal here is to toast it until it takes on a light brown color. Move it around a bit after a few minutes so it toasts evenly. Once it starts to pop and change color, it's ready. Set it aside and repeat the process for the next batch. Now we have to let it cool down completely before moving on to the next step. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now we can blend it into a flour. I'm using a really old blender I don't really care about, so if you have one, do the same. You can also use whatever blender you have. This is what it looks like. You can blend it a second time, but this is good enough for me. Now we're gonna pass it through a sieve and see what's left. If you have a really powerful blender, you can skip this step. These are the really troublesome particles that refuse to break down. But you know what? I got something for them. Pulverize them. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week.